Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 11th question in exercise 4.2. If matrix A is x2 to x and the determinant of A cube is equal to 125, find the values of x. So value of determinant A is equal to x2 to x, which we are going to solve right now. So this is x squared minus 4. Now what is given to us is determinant of A cube is equal to 125. Determinant of A cube is nothing but determinant of A the whole cube. So this is equal to 125, means determinant of A is equal to 5. Now let's equate this value. So x squared minus 4 is equal to 5. So x squared is equal to 9 or x is equal to plus or minus 3. So both values of x are acceptable here. In the next video, we will find the solution to the 12th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.